Canada has learned a lot through the COVID pandemic and also previous pandemics like SARS that we all went through. But unfortunately, we're still not ready for another pandemic. We don't have adequate surveillance systems. We don't have adequate ways of connecting people to trials of treatments. And we don't have a great way to connect people who have infections and disease to the people who are making new tests and therapeutics and vaccines. So Prepared is a national initiative that is engaging Canada's primary care and emergency departments in creating a living surveillance system that combines swabs that are taken from people when they present with an acute respiratory infection, as well as electronic health record data surveillance in the background. And then what we do is we connect people when they are sick immediately to a trial of an intervention. Plus, this is also part of a bigger initiative to link Canada's biomanufacturers to this type of information so they can use this to quickly evaluate whether or not treatments or diagnostic tests or a vaccine work, and also help with things like Health Canada approval. So St. Mike's has been the home for the Upstream Lab for the past 8 years, and this is really where we got started. It's allowed us to do so many things, work on things like tackling social needs, doing clinical trials, and now doing this great work around surveillance. And we're really well positioned as being a place where we do data science work, where we do trials, and where we also are at the interface between the clinic or emergency department and research. So as I was completing my family medicine training and public health training, I never really thought about being a scientist, but what drew me to it was the ability to take ideas and make them real and really see if they work. And I see research as that type of intervention, something that brings resources together to create change. I'm really deeply appreciative of all the donors who support our work in small ways and in big ways, because it's what helps us do the work that we're doing. It also, we want to actually cede power over what we're doing to the community, and that includes all of you.